Hello people, Chef Stas is again here. We're cooking in home. We're cooking today a French dessert that can be a nice breakfast called clafutis. It is a custard-based dessert that uses eggs and milk, and we'll put fresh cherries because we have a lot here and they're just now in season, so delicious, so tasty. Okay, let's start cooking and see what happens. First, we need to crack 4 large eggs. Pour in 1 cup of milk. Add half cup of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of cherry liquor, mix well, add 1 cup of AP flour, mix well again, pour in 2 tablespoons or 50 grams of melted butter, cut in half 2 cups of pitted cherries, and add to the dough. Grease the mold with butter and dust it with flour. Bake clafutis at 170 Celsius or 340 Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. When ready, dust it with sugar powder and serve to your family. Bon appétit! This clafutis became a beautiful breakfast for my family. It was nice, it was tasty, it was really enjoyable. So I can recommend this recipe 100%. Give me a like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys very soon. Have a good one.